Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. I'm back out working on cars.
Are you harassing the cat again? He says, yes I am. Thank you for asking, Mom. Now I understand why that died. Hey! Too much excitement. Rufus, come here.
Where's your mommy?
Come on. Rufus, come. Rufus, come. Right now.
Plant a tree up on the hill, and days go by on your windowsill, then you're standing in its shade. Raise your children tall and proud, chase away the lightning clouds until you finally get old and gray. We all fade away.
Several months ago, I swapped out a heating and air conditioning control system. I only moved the switches, replaced the switches, which is no big deal. I've done that before, but this time I'm having another problem. When I turn the car on, I have all kinds of warning signals on the dash. In the past couple of months, I've gotten a tablet computer working again. When it actually worked, I just needed to update it, which I did, and then get the special interface cable that goes to the system that controls this car and provides access to all the sensors. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a shot now. Car starts fine. There's quite a number of warning symbols on the dash right now. There's a limited number of ways that can happen. I could have bad modules, I could have a bad central computer for the entire car. But since this mostly appeared after I did the replacement of the switches, I think that's probably part of the problem. Yeah, the tablet that I'm using is a Microsoft Surface. It's an old machine. I think I bought it in about 2015. It's about 7 years old. Not the newest machine for sure, but the software that I need to interface with the car runs on this. Wouldn't you know it, after all of that, after updating this tablet computer and getting the software to interface to the car working, I now have another Microsoft update. So I'll bring you back when that's all done. Okay, look out. Maybe go see Mommy.
Rufus, come on, dude. You're not exactly my best guardian dog right now.
Go see Mommy. Go, Mommy.
Rufus,
Go see
come.
Mommy.
Rufus. Rufus, come. Good boy. Good come. Good come. Okay, sit. 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 Yeah. Okay, down. Okay. Crawl. Crawl. Can you crawl? Can you get there? Can you crawl? Your butt came up. That's not legal. That's not legal. No, it's not.